Today we learn about Mitsubishi PLC comparison command. Now we used counter command. Counter command work with input bit x0. In ladder language we have used for comparison command. First command used for y0 output, second used for y1 output bit, third used for y2 output bit, and fourth used for counter reset. S1 data compared to the data S2 and result indicated by bitwise. S1 is counter value and S2 is comparison value and indicate value Y0 output bit. As the value of the counter increase by 1, then Y0 output bit on. Now let's check and simulate the program. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.